This is a Grillo Italian walking tractor, and here's a breakdown of how it works. The tractor has a number of controls that are important to understand before use. The throttle is clearly marked with a turtle for slow and a rabbit for fast, allowing you to control the engine speed. There is also a directional lever that controls movement, with positions for forward and reverse. One of the most important controls is the gear shift lever, which includes positions marked with 1, 2, and F, which stands for neutral in Italian. Gear 3 and 4 are very fast and typically too fast for tilling work. On the side of the tractor, you'll find the PTO, which stands for power takeoff lever, which engages the tines of the tiller or other implements you may attach. The handlebars are adjustable to suit the height of the user. One lever adjusts the handlebar height, and the other allows you to pivot the handlebars left or right, which is useful if you want to avoid walking in your furrow while tilling. To start the machine, ensure the brake is engaged. Note that the brake levers are opposite on each side. Make sure the gear shift is in neutral or F so the machine can roll freely. Then turn the fuel valve to the on position if the engine is cold. Use the gray choke lever to choke the engine. Set the throttle to moderate position, not fully closed before starting. The tractor has an electric starter. Turn the key from off to start to crank the engine. Once it is running, turn off the choke. Now you're ready to operate. Shift the gear lever into first or second gear and move the directional lever to forward. Engage the PTO to start the tires. Some engine speed is necessary for the PTO to work effectively. While it's possible to disengage the PTO at the end of each row, many users find it easier to leave it engaged unless turning it a tight space. There is a lever that controls the tilling depth. Adjust this to set how deep the tines go. If the tractor gets stuck, use a differential lock lever, which causes both wheels to turn together for better traction. The tractor will not move until you press the engage lever, which serves as a safety and motion control. A safety bar prevents you from shifting into reverse while the PTO is engaged, which is important from preventing injuries, especially your feet. Forcing it into reverse while the PTO is running can break the mechanism. So always disengage the PTO and shift to neutral before going into reverse. When you're finished using the tractor, disengage the PTO, shift into neutral, and throttle down. Turn the ignition key to off to save the battery, and close the fuel valve to prevent any leaks that could be a fire hazard. Turning off the gas after use is especially important. When you start the next machine, just reverse the process. Turn on the fuel, set the throttle, use choke if needed, and start the engine. The tractor is straightforward once you get familiar with it, and it maneuvers more easily than many other tillers.